There are two bodies placed all across this. One is 1 kg and another one is 2 kg. Let us take 1 kg as M1 and 2 kg as M2. And there is a 3 newtons of force applied on this body. We are just pushing the M1 body, but due to the contact between M1 and M2, there is a common acceleration. Now let us find the acceleration. Acceleration is equals to F net by M total. Generally, we know the formula that force is equals to mass into acceleration. From that, we can derive the formula acceleration is equals to force F net by M total. So, the force factor is 3 Newton. And the total mass, first body M1 plus M2, that is 3 Newtons by 1 plus 2 kg. E by 3 is equals to, then we'll get acceleration as 1 meter per second. Now we need to find the reaction between the first body and the second body. So we are writing the FBD of the M1 body, which mass is 1 kg. While drawing FBD, we should only consider the forces which are acted on the body, not which are acted by the body. Here, this is the reaction between M1 and M2. The M1 is giving some reaction to the M2 that we are representing by R2 due to the 1 and R1 due to the 2. So, on the first body, M2 is giving the reaction on M1. Now, we know the formula that F net is equals to F motion minus F opposite motion. So, force formula is mass into acceleration. Here, as we are taking M1, we have to take M1 into acceleration. And F motion, F along the motion is force applied. F. And F opposite motion is reaction 1, 2. So, M1 value is 1 into acceleration value is 1 meter per second square. And force applied is 3 newtons. Minus we don't know the reaction, so we are keeping same. Then 1 into 1 is 1 is equals to 3 minus R12. Here transposing R to the other side and 1 to the other side. So R12 is equals to 3 minus 1. Then R12 is equals to 2 Newton. Here R12 is equals to R21. So the reaction between the M1 body and M2 body is 2 newtons. Thank you.